Dramatic, perhaps provocative, absolutely. But in a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, it's a question worth considering. One popular myth is that artificial intelligence and automation are rendering programmers obsolete. This couldn't be further from the truth. While AI has indeed automated certain tasks, it has also opened up a plethora of new opportunities. In fact, the demand for programmers proficient in AI and machine learning has skyrocketed, further emphasizing the importance of keeping up with technological advancements. Another common misconception is that coding is no longer a valuable skill. This is a gross oversimplification. The reality is, coding has become more valuable than ever, but it's evolving. It's no longer about simply writing lines of code. Instead, it's about using code to solve complex problems, create innovative solutions, and drive progress. The job market is another area where the landscape is rapidly shifting. While it's true that traditional programming jobs are becoming less prevalent, this doesn't mean that programming is dying. Rather, the role of the programmer is evolving. Today, programmers are expected to possess a diverse range of skills. They're not just coders, they're problem solvers, innovators, and creators. So, is programming dead in 2023? The answer is a resounding no, but it's not the same as it was a decade ago. It's not even the same as it was a year ago. The world of programming is evolving, and those who can adapt are the ones who will thrive. In conclusion, the fall of coding is a myth, a sensationalized narrative spun by those who don't understand the complexities and nuances of the field. The reality is, programming is alive and well. It's just different. It's more complex, more nuanced, and more exciting than ever before. The question shouldn't be, is programming dead in 2023? Rather, it should be, are you ready for the future of programming? Because the future is here, and it's brimming with possibilities.